Schriele macht Albrecht. Die ist nicht mehr Schiffe, ihr Stuster. Die ist nicht gerne so das. Die ist nicht gerne so macht.
What to do, YouTube? So, what I want to talk to y'all today about is things that I wish I knew before I started trading, because I feel like a lot of people need to know this. Where do I start? Like, what do I need to look into? What videos do I need to watch? And things such as that can further along their process or help them grow in a quicker manner than what most of us traders have went through in the beginning stages of our careers as trading and things such as that, because I feel like not really everybody explains it. But you know, there are a lot of good beginner videos, but where do you really start when you first get into trading? So that's pretty much what I want to talk about in this video. And first thing first is what I want to get into is, do not come into this business thinking it's a get rich quick scheme. It is not. I promise you, it is not. Yes, you can come up off of it more quicker than the average, let's say, hustle or job or things like that. You know, one trade can really change your whole life, but you really do not want to get into that mindset when you first start off, because then you're going to start over leveraging. Then you're going to start taking risky trades just because you want to come up real quick. So do not get into that mindset when you first join in. For the most part, it takes years to even acquire, like making $1,000 every single day or $1,000 every single week. For some people, it takes years to acquire that type of money, and it's all because of mindset, how they were when they first joined to where they are at that point, which leads me on to my next point. Yes, we all join this business for the money. Yes, the money is nice. That's how we've heard about it. But what you will quickly realize when you first get into the business is you do not want to focus on the money, if that makes sense. So yes, you join the business to make money, but do not focus on the money. Like, do not make the money the main reason that you take a trade, or you even look at the markets and try to educate yourself because you want to make more money. No, it's literally going to get to a point where you're going to want to feed off the education alone. Focus on the percentages more so than the money that you can make from it. Well, I just grew my account 3% today. 3% today. That is great. Rather than, oh, I just made $20 today. And it's not a whole lot of money. But you just grew your account 3%. Now, guess what? The next time that you get to trade, you're going to be able to trade more now than you were before, because you just grew your account to a bigger percentage. So that's the way you really want to think about it when you really start trading. And just try to get out of that money mindset, materialistic mindset, because it's going to ruin your career more so than anything. Oh, I need to make $10,000 so I can go buy me a new car, or I need to make this much money to go buy whatever. No, take it one step at a time and just compound your account until you're able to trade with more money, so therefore you can make more money. Or you can just keep funding up your account. You know, you keep on doing that. But just do not get caught up in the mindset of money and thinking everything is about the money, when honestly, it is not. You do not want to think about the money, because all of the great traders, they do not think about the money. Yes, we count our profit and our losses, but we do not think of it in a money type of way. We think of it in percentages. We think of it as in, how much better have we gotten this week compared to last week, or this month compared to last month, or even this year compared to last year. That's how you really want to think about it. How much better are you getting every single day, every single week? So, next thing I want to talk about is, do not get caught up on learning so many strategies. I know when you're first watching videos and stuff like that, everybody talks about, oh, this is the new best strategy to learn, or go buy my course to learn my $1 million strategy that can make you $1,000 in minutes or a day or whatever. Do not get caught up in that, because I'm telling you, no matter what strategy you learn, for one, if your mindset is not right, you're not going to make money. And for two, price action is more important than strategy. So that's why I suggest learning price action and learning market structure more so than learning the strategy. Because truth be told, your strategy is just an add-on to price action and understanding market structure. That's all that is. It's just to give you a better look on, okay, or matter of fact, it's really just an extra confirmation. Whatever indicator you add onto your chart, it's just an extra confirmation added on to price action and market structure. Once you start to learn that and understand those two things. And yes, there are deeper things in that, like divergence, understanding support and resistance, understanding supply and demand, things like that. And then the only thing that your indicators are going to add on is a confirmation that tells you, okay, this market is more than likely about to do this. So I would say learn price action and market structure before trying to just learn hundreds of strategies and then end up not being profitable with either one of them, because you do not want to get caught up on that. So next thing is mindset, which is, I feel, is the most important thing over really anything, honestly. Mindset is very, very, very important. When I first joined the business, I started off making a lot of money. I was into making a lot of money, but because my mindset was not right, I could not maintain that money. You can make a lot of money, but if your mindset is not right, you're not going to maintain it. And it's not about how much money you can make, it's about how much money you are able to keep. That is very important when you are trading. It's not about how much money you can make, it is about how much money you can keep. So definitely change your mindset. Do not just try to make money to spend it. That's the number one thing. Do not just try to make money to go buy something. You can make money to try to build on assets and pay your bills and things such as that, to pay off liabilities. But truth be told, do you need shoes every week? No. Like, do you need new clothes every time you go out? No. Now, once you get to making good money in your trading account and stuff like that, you know, it's okay to spoil yourself. I do it from time to time. I'm gonna be honest, I do it from time to time. Shoot this that I got on right here. Rest in peace, Kobe. HFX funded. I'm gonna just be honest. So it is okay to do that once you get to making more money, but you best believe I'm more so focused on making more assets than liabilities. That's the thing. Make your money into a worker. That's what you're trying to make it do. But back to mindset before I get onto a rant and stuff like that. Focus on mindset. So that means discipline yourself. You need to discipline yourself. Focus on consistency more so than trying to hit a home run in one trade. That's not what you want to focus on, or becoming rich overnight. Focus on being consistent, because I guarantee the person who can make $5 every single day in 1 month out of the month will make more than a person who try to over leverage and hit it overnight every single day. I promise you they're going to end up making more. Why? Because they're more consistent and they're making that on a day-to-day basis. Now guess what? The next month they're going to be making $10 every single night that they're trading, and they're going to go on and on. So discipline, staying consistent, and also I speak on this a lot in my other videos, but do not make trading your main priority. It's more so going to damage you than help you, truth be told. And that's how I was before. Man, I was just focused on trading. Like, it affected me mentally and emotionally as well, because every single time I had a losing night or I blew my account, man, I was angry, like mad. And then I'll fund up my account again. I'll be like, man, I gotta get back to where I was. I gotta get back to the point of however much money I had in my account. And then I will over leverage, and guess what? I will lose that money as well. So that's why I say focus on being consistent and just being disciplined more so than anything when you start off trading. And no, it's not fun to hear when you're first starting golf, but it's what you need to hear. So that's one thing. And also, yes, you do need money to make money, but you do not just need like $1,000 or $1 million in order to become very, very profitable in trading, especially when you're doing Forex. Trust me, I've taken $250 accounts all the way to $1,000, over $1,000. I've taken $500 accounts to $2,000. So do not focus on, and I want to do this, but I need this amount of money to get started. No, you do not. You do not. But what you do need is the education. You need the education in order to start making money the way you want to make money on a more consistent basis and be able to fund your life that you want to live. So that's why I say focus on education and focus on mindset. Those are the two biggest things that I really want you guys to take away from this video, and just expand on those things. Go watch as many videos as you can. I may tell my story later on, but I did start off in IM Academy, and now I am an independent trader right now and just trading on my own. But I educated myself. I got the knowledge that I needed to get, and as of right now, to help me become profitable on my own, at least for the time being. But I definitely will expand on that knowledge some more. I am as of right now. See the charts behind me. I'm just learning as I go. But that's really what I want to talk about. And then I will do multiple parts of these. This is just part one, just to get you guys started. It's just things that was on my mind. But I definitely want you guys to take away what I said in this video and go apply it, because knowledge is not power. Applied knowledge is. So it's no point in hearing what I just said but not going to apply it. You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you did, comment, like, subscribe. And if you are a trader and you're watching this video, comment some things down below that you wish you knew when you first got started or before you even got started, so I can make a video and talk about that as well in my next one. But like I said, stay positive, stay happy, stay loving. Y'all have a good day, man.